Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the February 2026 bargain bead box. I saw the post that she made just showing us a sneak peek, and oh, am I excited to open this. So, let's see. So this one is called Fairy Tale Romance, and it says earthy enchantment abounds in this romantic palette of natural gemstones. Unakite and rhodonite make the perfect couple with a supporting cast of pink, green, and antique copper accents. We adore the lampwork mushrooms and chunky rose quartz nuggets too. And if you get this, there's a 30% off coupon to their sister store. So let's see. This is retail value, shipment is $107.77. And if you're not familiar with this, this is $24.99 a month, and it's usually valued over $60. This one's a lot more. I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And I will leave the link below in the description, along with the link to their website. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do the unboxing for this. I'm so excited. I'm like, it's been, let's see. Oh, how pretty. Yeah, I think they said there's 3 pendants this month. Oh, I'm so excited. Everything looks so pretty. Let me get set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the 48 by 28 millimeter rhodonite and brass marquise pendant, sorry. Oh, that is so pretty. I love it. It's got that little bit of pink in there. Everyone is a little different from what I heard. So yours might, because it's a gemstone. So everybody's might be a little bit different, but this is so pretty. That's the front and the back. So pretty. Okay. And next we have another pendant. This is the 30 by 19 millimeter Unakite and brass teardrop pendant. Look how pretty this one is. Oh, I love it. So much fun. So much fun this month. I can't wait to work with this box. And I actually have some time. And number 3 is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter pink rhodonite round beads. These are gorgeous. You can see all the different colors of pink in there. So pretty. Okay. And number 4 is a 7-inch 8 millimeter Unakite round beads. So these are pretty. Look at these, how pretty. Let's make a pretty little bracelet. The holes are really well drilled in these as well. You really get a bang for your buck with this bead box every month. It is just so worth it. And number 5 is a 15-inch strand of Unakite tumbled nugget beads. 8-inch strand, that's a lot of beads. That could go around the neck. And I love the nugget beads because they're a little more rustic looking, because each one's just a little different, than when you get the round. That's what I love about this box, is you get a little bit of the round, you get some nugget beads, some irregular ones, you get crystal bicones sometimes. It just, everything just depends, but that is a nice strand of beads there. And number 6 is a 7-inch strand of 6 millimeter faceted rhodonite beads, round beads. Oh, these are pretty. Let me see if you can get a glimpse of the sparkle in there when I move my hand around. Oh, these are so pretty. Yeah, these are so pretty. And each one's just a little bit different. They're not always the same because they're gemstones. And number 7, oh, these are pretty. A 7-inch strand of rose quartz large nugget beads. Ooh. Oh, these are pretty. I don't know if you can hear my dog out in the other room. She's found a squirrel and she's screaming out the window. She's so funny. She's my love. So pretty. Oh, I can't wait to work with this box. And number 8 is 8 pieces of 10 millimeter rhodonite fluted melon beads. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. And number 9 is an 8-piece 10 millimeter unakite barrel beads. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah. Oh, I love these. Barrel beads are fun. See, they have that, they're flat around the hole on the edges like that. Okay. And number 10 is a 7.5-inch 8 millimeter crystal fancy faceted rondo beads in rosaline. Oh, can you say sparkle? Ooh, look at these. The shimmer on these. Oh my gosh. This would be really pretty. This would be really pretty to take, like to take these 3. Might do something like that. And just the 3 different pinks, 3 different textures, 3 different colors. That would be really pretty. Look at that, how pretty. Ooh. Okay. And next, number 11 is 7.5-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal fancy faceted rondo beads in vintage pink mix. Oh, these are pretty too. Look at that. Look at that sparkle on these. I like the vintage mixes like this. Wow, so pretty. Okay. Number 12 is 12-inch 4 millimeter crystal faceted round beads in green with brown iris. Oh, these are pretty. Oh. Look at these. Oh. Look at those, how pretty those are. It's a nice strand. You could do a double bracelet with these if you wanted to. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and number 13 is 4 pieces of 13 by 10 Lamprey glass mushroom beads in forest green. Oh, how cute are these? The hole goes through the top of them. It's like fairy tale, like it said, fairy tale romance. They're so cute, these little mushrooms. Oh my gosh. These would make a cute pair of dangle earrings. How cute. Okay, and number 14 is a 33 by 23 millimeter brass locket pendant and copper floral swirl. Oh, this is pretty. Open it. That's the inside. Oh, this is really pretty. You can see that. Look at that, how pretty that is. The cover. Oh, gorgeous. And number 15 is 16-piece 7 by 7.5 millimeter detailed round spacer beads. Oh, doesn't look like there's 16 pieces there, but there are. Look how pretty that is. Oh, yes. Gorgeous. Okay, and number 16, I'm not going to open this, is the 100-piece 3mm round spacer beads in antique copper. We all know what these look like. I don't want to lose these. And number 17 is a 6-piece 11mm flower coin spacer beads. Ooh, these got some weight to them. Oh, these are really pretty. They're the same on both sides. Yeah. Very pretty. Oh, trying to leave them out. I'll take them out afterwards. And number 18 is 2 pieces of 30 by 21mm ornate shield links. Oh, these are so much fun. So they're the same on both sides. These are pretty for, like, you can do a pendant here, or you could do some dangle earrings with these. These are really pretty. So they're the same on both sides. Very pretty. And number 19 is 10 pieces of 17 by 11mm round flower links. Oh, these are pretty. They're one-sided. You can see. Oh, how cute. These would be really cute for dangle earrings because they're not that heavy. How cute are these? And number 20 is 2 pieces of 24 by 19 leafy toggle clasps. Yeah, these are really pretty. What's great is you can use these in the front of your, like a necklace or something. So that's the back, that's the front. Very pretty. Okay, and number 21 is 2 pieces of 20 by 19mm fairy charms. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I love, love, love. Did mine break? I don't know if that, oh, I think mine broke. Oh, darn. Oh, here it is. There it is. Well, I can still use this. I can use it maybe towards a pendant or something. I'm sure I could glue this, but I wouldn't want to sell anything that I had to glue on. So, but yeah, that's really pretty. Oh, I'm so sad about my fairy charm. I'm bummed. I'm going to put it in the bags. Okay. So, number 22. These are pretty. 24 pieces of 8mm flower bead caps. Well, these are nice thick ones. That's them. Very pretty. Some weight to them too. And number 23 is 1 meter of 5.7 by 3 by 5mm and 3 times 2.2mm jewelry chain. It's Figaro. So that's like the shape of it. These are pretty, and I like these because I usually deconstruct these a little bit and kind of cut them into things for tassels and to hang in stuff from them and everything. So I always use the chain they send us. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I know I did. And I definitely will have some videos coming up soon. And today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. And stay safe, and I hope you enjoy your day. And I will leave a link below to the bargain bead box. And like I said, my coupon code is BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And you can go to the description for everything. And I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.